Morning, Steve Frady in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, as we mentioned last week, it's the weather market in South America, and over the weekend, parts of central Argentina saw some good rains. And so we're 9 cents lower in the beans. Corn's down a couple of cents, and wheat's down 3 cents. Outside markets are lower, and there's a lot of uncertainty of what's going on in Russia right now with some of the explosions and some of the terrorist bombs. In the beans, some of the southern areas of Argentina missed the rains, but certainly conditions have improved, and this will offer the resistance in the market. Now we just have to see how low is low. We're sitting with March beans sitting just above $13. Do we take that out before the end of the year and before the January 10th USDA report? Normally, we probably would take out that level because of the improved crop conditions. Brazil's crops rated well above average, and that also offers some resistance to the marketplace. In the corn, we've been trading in this range between 420 and 440 for quite a while. I doubt if we could trade below the lower end of the range or trade above the higher end of the range until we see what the government says about the final U.S. corn crop, the D1 stocks, the carryouts, and just how all that kind of fits into place. So the stock should be bigger D1 than a year ago, but just how much is kind of a key. Last week we saw some hog numbers, and previously we saw some cattle numbers that suggest animal numbers are down in the summer, and that might reduce feed usage. We also have the ongoing uncertainty of China and whether or not they'll accept U.S. corn or DDGs because of this unapproved seed that's in some of the exports. And in the wheat, is kind of a follower. Whether or not we'll trade below the $6 range is a key here. Overall, there's more wheat in the world in 2013 than the market thought. Prices will follow corn lower, and 2014 is off to a good start. And the USDA will give us our first planting intentions of our winter wheat crop on January 10th. Cold temperatures are hitting the U.S. Midwest. Could slow some of the cash movement down. Could help basis levels a little bit, but it's not expected to hurt the winter wheat crop. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.